Hi everyone, my name is Vilma and in this video tutorial I will show you how to schedule a class in WizIQ. So to start we have to go to WizIQ and then we have to log in. You have to use your email and then follow the steps. Here it says that we have to introduce our academy name and I'm part of Integrating Technology Academy. So I click there and then I continue. So once I'm here in my WizIQ place, I click on this option which shows my role. And here, as you can see, I'm using WizIQ as a tutor, which means I can create the session. And to do that, I only click on this on the right side, the plus button, and then create a course. There you come to this side which says course settings and then free course to all visitors. Yeah, so you leave it there and go to next step. Oh, I have to add an instructor and then, sorry, I forgot to choose my name. So I have to choose my name. So it's Vilma. Start date, so let's put it today. And end date after 2 days, yeah, May the 21st. Course title, let's say practice with IQ. Okay, so we need to save this information first. Okay, and then save the second part. Yeah, we'll have to confirm it first. Confirm the information. Yeah, it takes a few minutes. Okay, so now I can save this draft. And then I think it's already saved, then click on next. Yep, so the course has been saved, it says. So let's click here. Then we should check this activity that says draft. And here it is the course that I have just created that says practice with WizIQ. Yeah, I also had some other previous courses that I created, but now you know the process that we need to follow in order to create a class using WizIQ. So I hope this video is okay and it can help you start using this new tool. Thanks for watching.